now we will do sum number 4. Again we will write here, we will take 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0. Now write down this equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, in place of x we will use 0. That means 3 multiplied by 0 minus y is equal to 2. Now 3 multiplied by 0, 3 zeros are 0 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to, this minus sign will come here. First write 2, then y is equal to, this minus sign will come here. You will get minus 2. So 0 and minus 2. Next, when x is equal to 1. Write down the same equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now in x's place we will take 1. That means 3 multiplied by 1 minus y is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2. This 3 when you bring it here, minus 3 minus y is equal to 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 1. So you get 1 over here. Okay. Now when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2. Write down the same equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 minus y is equal to 2. So 3 2s are 6 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2. 6 you bring it here. Plus 6 will become minus 6. Minus y is equal to 6 minus 2, 4, sign of the greater number. Minus and minus will go. Y is equal to 4. We get 4 over here. When x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3. Write down the same equation. Now 3 multiplied by x, that is 3 multiplied by 3. X is 3 minus y is equal to 2. 3 3s are 9 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2. Bring this 9 here. Minus y is equal to 9 minus 2, 7, sign of the greater number. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 7. Here you get 3 and 7. Okay. Now we solve this one. Again we take 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, write down this equation now. 2x minus y is equal to 3. So x is 0. That means 2 multiplied by x is 0 here. Minus y is equal to 3. 2 zeros are 0 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to, minus will come here, 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. So 0 and minus 3. Next is when x is equal to 1. Write this equation. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now x is 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 minus y is equal to 3. 2 ones are 2 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. Bring this 2 here. Minus 2. Minus y, 3 minus 2, 1. So y is equal to, this minus will come here, minus 1. Now x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, write down the same equation again. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 2, so that means 2 multiplied by 2 minus y is equal to 3. 2 2s are 4 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. 4, get it here, minus 4 it will become. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now minus and minus will get cancelled, so y is equal to 1. Okay, now when we take x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, again we write the same equation. In place of x we will take 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 minus y is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 plus 6 bring here, it will become minus 6. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. Minus and minus will get cancelled, y is equal to 3. Here we get 3. Okay. Now see. Now we will plot this. Now first see, we have 0 on the x-axis and minus 2 on the y-axis. 0 on the x-axis and minus 2. Minus 2 is here. Next is 1 and 1. X-axis is 1 and y-axis is 1. Both are 1. See here. X-axis is 1 and y-axis is 1. Next is x-axis is 2, y-axis is 4. X-axis 2 and y-axis is 4. 2 and 4. Next is x-axis 3, okay, and y-axis 7. That means 3 here and 7 here. They intersect here. X-axis 3, y-axis 7. Okay. So now we can join this line. Now the next one. First is 0, x-axis 0, y-axis, on the y-axis minus 3. Here, minus 3. Next is x-axis 1, y-axis minus 1. That is over here. X-axis, see, on the x-axis it is 1 and y-axis it is minus 1. That means over here. Next is 2 and 1. That means 2 on the x-axis and y-axis 1. See here. On the x-axis 2, y-axis 1 here. Next is 3 and 3. Both are 3. X-axis also 3 and y-axis also 3. X-axis, y-axis both 3. Okay. Now we join this one. Okay. Now see here where they are intersecting here. They intersect here. Now first we will write all these points. First one was 0 and 2. 0 and 2. So this line 0 and 2. Next one was 1 and 1. Here 1 and 1. Next was 2 and 4. Next 3 and 7. Understood? Now this one. This was 0 and minus 3. 0 and minus 3. Next was 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. Next was 2 and 1. And last one is 3 and 3. Okay. Then after that, write the equation of the line. This is the first line. Here we will write this one. I'll write it here. 3x minus y is equal to 2. And this line is 2x minus y is equal to 3. Okay. Now see where your lines are intersecting. Here. Your lines are intersecting here. So see on the x and the y axis. Now on the x axis, see here. X axis, you can see here. So x axis is minus 1. So first write the solution of the equation. X is equal to, you can see on the x axis, it is minus 1, and y axis, x axis, and on the y axis it is minus 5 here. This point here it is minus 5. Understood? So we have finished sum number 4. Now the next sum, that is sum number 5. Now again we will do this. Write 1. Suppose this is for this equation, the first one. Okay. And this is for the second equation. Now here again you write 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then we will take when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. Take the first equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Now x we have to take 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3 zeros are 0. Minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Now y is equal to, now this 4 will come here down. Okay. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to, what is there after equal to? Y is equal to 7, and this 4 will come here. Okay. We get 7 upon 4. Now that 7 upon 4 you can divide. 7 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 3, put a 0, take a point. 4 sevens are 28, 2 is the remainder. Again take a 0, 4 fives are 20. So what we get, y is equal to 1.75. Okay. So when this is 0, this you will get 1.75. So here you get 0, x is 0 and y is 1.75. Understood? Next, when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1. Write the equation again. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. In place of x we will take 1. That means 3 ones are minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3 ones are 3. Minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Minus 4y keep it as it is equal to minus 7. Okay. Minus 4y keep it as it is equal to minus 7. This 3 bring it here, it will become minus 3. It is plus 3, bring it here, minus 3. Now minus 4 as it is. Minus into minus will become plus. So 7 plus 3, 10. But sign of the greater number. Now this minus and this minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 10 and this 4 get it down. Okay. So you can reduce this. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. You get 5 upon 2. Now again 5 upon 2 you can divide. 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Put a 0. 2 5s are 10. Understood? So here you get 2.5. Here 2.5. So 1 and 2.5. Understood? Next one is when x is equal to 2. Now we will take when x is equal to 2. Write down the equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. In x's place we will take 2. That means 3 multiplied by 2. Minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3 2s are 6. Minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Get this 6 here. Plus 6, bring it here. It will become minus 6. Okay. Now, minus 4y is equal to minus into minus plus. So, 7 plus 6, 13, and sign of the greater number. Again, minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 13 upon, bring this 4 down. Now, we have to divide it. 13 divided by 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 1, take a 0, put a point. 4 2s are 8. Again 2, take a 0, 4 5s are 20. So here you get y is equal to 3.25. Here 2 and here you get 3.25. Understood? Next, now we take when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3. Write that equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay, x is 3. That means 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9 minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Bring this 9 here. Plus 9, bring it here. It will become minus 9. So minus 4y is equal to minus into minus plus this 16. But minus 16, sign of the greater number. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 16 and bring this 4 here down. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So therefore y is equal to 4. Here we got 4, 3 and 4. Okay. Now same way we are going to solve the next one. Again I will write 0, 1, 2 and 3. When x is equal to 0. Now we are doing the next one, so we will take the second equation. In this equation we will put x is equal to 0 and we will find the value of y. So write the second equation. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, so now we will take in x place, we will take 0. 5 multiplied by 0 minus 2y is equal to 0. 5 zeros are 0. Minus 2y is equal to 0. Now minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, now y is equal to 0. This 2 will come down over here, and when 0 is on top it has no value. Y will be 0 only. Understood? So y will be 0. Next is when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1. Write down the same equation. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So now x is 1. So that means 5 multiplied by 1 minus 2y is equal to 0. 5 ones are 5 minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 2y as it is equal to 0 has no value here. So bring this 5 over here. Plus 5 will become minus 5. Okay. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 5 and get this 2 here. Okay. Now you can divide this 5 and 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Put a 0. Take a point. 2 5s are 10. You get y is equal to 2.5. You get 1 and 2.5. Understood? Now the next one we'll do when x is equal to 2. Now take the same equation, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, and in place of x we will use 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. 5 2s will be 10 minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to 0 has no value here. Get this 10 here, it will be minus 10. Minus and minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 10. Bring this 2 down. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So y is equal to 5. Next, when x is equal to 3. Write down the same equation, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay. Now 5 multiplied by 3, x is 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2y is equal to 0. 5 3s will be 15 minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to, bring this 15 here, plus 15 become minus 15. Minus and minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 15 and get this 2 here. Okay. Now you can divide. 15 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. 1, take a 0, put a point, 2 5s are 10. You get 7.5. So y is equal to 7.5. Here you get 7.5. 3 and 7.5. Understood? Now let's plot these points. First one is x is 0 and y is 1.75. So x is 0 and y is 1.75. Here we have 5 in between. 7.5 will be over here, just below 2. Next is 1. Again on the x-axis is 1 and y-axis is 2.5. X-axis is 1 and y-axis is 2.5. That is over here. 2, 2.5 and then 3. See here, this is 2, 2.5, 3. So 2.5, 1 and y-axis will be 2.5 here. Next is 2 on the x-axis and 3.25. 2 here and 3.25. 2 here and 3.25. 3.25 is here. Okay, just below 3.5 it will be, little below. Next is 3 and 4. 3 on the x-axis and 4 over here. 3 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. Okay, now you join those points. Here. Okay, now we can also name this. This is 0 and 1.75. The next one is 1 and 2.5. Next one is 2 and 3.25. Three and 4. Okay, now the next equation, 0, both are 0 over here. 1 point, first point we got here. Next is 1 and 2.5. X-axis 1 and y-axis 2.5. 1 and 2.5 here on the same line. Okay, the next point is on the same line. Here, this one, 1 and 2.5. Third one will be 2 and 5. X-axis is 2. X-axis is 2 and the y-axis is 5 over here. Okay, x-axis 2 and y-axis it is 5. Next is x-axis 3 and 7.5. So here it is 3 and 7.5 is here between 7 and 8 and 3 here. Okay, so here I'll just check 3 and 7.5. Yes, here I think I'm the line. I'll just check. Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. I thought I've got the wrong thing. It's correct. Okay, now 3 and here we got 3 and 7.5 between 7 and 8. Now we will join this. Okay, this was a common point over here for us, that is 1 and 2.5, 1 and 2.5. So here 1 okay. Now this was the common point, that means here it is intersecting. Okay, so we have x-axis is equal to, on the x-axis x is equal to, on the x-axis we have 1 and on the y-axis we have 2.5. so that is only our answer. Before that we will just name all this 0. Then next we have 1 and 2.5. 1 and 2.5. 1 and here we have 1 and 2.5, that is common over here. Okay, that is common. Next is 2 and 5 and the next is 3 and 7.5. Okay, now let's write the equation of the line. This is the second one, so we will write 5x minus 2y is equal to 0, and on this we will write 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Okay, now the solution of the equation. X is equal to, now see your x, here it is intersecting, both the lines are intersecting here. That means on the x-axis it is here, on the x-axis it is 1, x-axis it is 1, and on the y-axis it is 2.5. Okay, between 2 and 3, so it is 2.5. Understood? Okay, now we do the next sum. So now we are doing the last sum. Now we will take when x is equal to 0. Write the first equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. In place of x we will take 0. That means 2 multiplied by 0 minus 3y is equal to 4. 2 zeros are 0, minus 3y is equal to 4. Minus 3y is equal to 4. Now y is equal to 4 and get this 3 down, get the minus sign here, divide this. Put a point, 3 3s are 9, again 1, when you take a 0, again 3 3s are 9, again that means 1 is going to repeat, so 1.3. So y is equal to 1.3 you can write here. Understood? Because this 3 is repeating. Here we will write 1.3. Next, when x is equal to 1. Write down the equation. In place of x we will take 1 here. So 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3y is equal to 4. 2 ones are 2 minus 3y is equal to 4. minus 3y is equal to 4 will be as it is. This 2 you bring it here, minus 2. So minus 3y is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. Now y is equal to, get this minus sign here and this 3 here. Over here also there was a minus sign, so this will be minus. This is minus 1.3. Here also, now see here, you get 2 divided by 3. Okay, so first 2 is less than 3, 3 zeros are 0, 2 minus 0, 2, take a 0, put a point, 3 6 are 18, again put a 0, 3 6 are 18, again the same way, just as this was repeating 1.333, same way 0.6, so just write 0.6, but y is equal to 0.6 but minus. So 1 and minus 0.6. Okay, now next is x is equal to 2. Suppose x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2, write the same equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 2, that means 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3y is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4, minus 3y is equal to 4. Minus 3y will be there only, is equal to 4. This 4 you bring it here will become minus 4. Minus 3y is equal to 4 minus 4 0. Y is equal to 0. Get this 3 down and the minus here. Now when y here on top there is a 0, that means the whole answer will be 0 only. So you get 2 and 0 here. Next is when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3. Again write down that same equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x, that means 2 multiplied by 3 minus 3y is equal to 4. 2 3s are 6, minus 3y is equal to 4. Minus 3y is equal to 4. Get this here, will become minus 6. Minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 4, 2, minus 2. This and this will get cancelled. Y is equal to 2 upon 3. Now divide that 2 upon 3. 3 zeros are 0. Get this 2 down. Put a 0. Put a point here. 3 6 are 18, 19, 20. Again this will repeat. So 0.6. Y is equal to 0.6. 3 and 0.6. Okay. Now we do this one, the next one. When x is equal to 0, take the first, no, sorry, not the first one, this is for the second one. Take the second equation, 3y minus x is equal to 4. Okay, so 3y will be as it is, minus x is 0 is equal to 4. Understood? Now 3y is equal to 4. This 0 has no value. So 3y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 and 3 will come here. Okay, so you get 4 upon 3, which we will divide. 3 1s are 3. Put a point here. 3 3s are 9. Again 1. Again 1.333 is going to repeat. So is equal to, y is equal to 1.3 we will write here. Okay, next is x is equal to 1. Write the same equation. 3y minus x is equal to 4. Okay, now 3 multiplied by, we have to find out y. So 3y will be as it is. X is 1 is equal to 4. 3y is equal to 4. Get the numbers together on the right hand side. 4 is already there only. Minus 1, when you bring it on the right hand side, will become plus 1. So 3y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5 and get this 3 down. Now you divide it. 5 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Put a 0, put a point here. 3 6 are 18. Again this is going to repeat. So you get y is equal to 1.6. You get 1 here and 1.6. Okay. Now x is equal to 2. (3y minus x is equal to 4). Okay. So 3y will be as it is minus x. X is 2 is equal to 4. So 3y is equal to 4. Get this minus 2 here, it will become plus 2. So 3y is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6 and get this 3 here. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So y is equal to 2. Here we get y is equal to 2. Next is 3. Suppose when x is equal to 3, write the second equation. 3y minus x is equal to 4. 3y keep it as it is. X is given, 3 is equal to 4. Again 3y is equal to 4 minus 3, get it on the right hand side, will become plus 3. 3y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Get this 3 down. Now we will divide this. 7 and 3 here. 3 twos are 6. 1. Put a 0 here. Again 3 threes are 9. Again 2.33 is going to repeat. So just write 2.3. So 3 and 2.3. Understood? Now here x is equal to 0 and y is minus 1.3. X is 0 and y is minus 1.3. So this is 1. You can see the smaller lines, that is your 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is minus 1.3. Next is 1 on the x-axis and minus 0.6. Suppose this on the y-axis, this is 0. This is 0.5 and 0.6 will be just one line above it, below it over here. This is minus 0.6. Next is 2 and on the y-axis it is 0. So this will be here only, 2. Next is 3 and 0.6. So on the x-axis it is 3 and 0.5 and 0.6 will be over here. 3 is here, 0.5 and then just one line above it, 0.6. Here. Now we will plot the other one. Here x is 0 and y is 1.3. 1.3, 1 is here. So 0.3. 1, 2, 3. The smaller lines. Next is 1. Again on the 1 and 1.6. X-axis it is 1 and on the y-axis it is 1.6. This is 1, 1.5 and 1.6 will be here. The next is 2 and 2. X-axis also 2 and y-axis is also 2. Next is 3 and 2.3. 3 is here. Okay. 3 is here. 3 and 2.3. 2.3 here. Okay. Now we will join this. this was 0 and 1.3. So this was 0 and 1.3. The next is 1 and 1.6. This was, sorry, this is the first one, 0 and minus 1.3. This is 0.6 minus 0.6. The next is 2 and 0. 2 and 0. Next is 3 and 0.6. Okay, now we will plot this. We have already plotted, we'll just draw the line. This is 0 and 1.3. Next one is 1 and 1.6. This is 2 and 2, and this is 3 and 2.3. Okay, now see where your lines are intersecting. Here lines are intersecting here. So see on the x-axis, that means on the x-axis we got 8. Okay, so the solution of the equation x is equal to 8 and y is equal to, and on the y-axis it is 4. Okay, then you can also write this, the equation of the line. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. And the other one is 3y minus x is equal to 4. Okay, and here where both the lines intersect, x-axis is, sorry, this is 8. Here we got 8 and the other one is 4. This point where it is intersecting. So this is how we find x and y on the graph. Okay, so we have finished practice set 1.2. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe.